What is up, dudes? This is Oprelia, and today we're going to be looking at this new marketing studio feature by Higgsfield, which is also this video sponsor, which allows you to create amazing commercials for your products. Maybe you want to create a product review for it, or maybe you're selling clothing and you need a virtual try-on of a person actually using that clothing, or maybe you want an unboxing video, or maybe you want something else. There's a multitude of different presets available on the website, which are all powered by Seedance 2.0. There's different modes available, which maybe you're going for a bit more professional look, maybe you want something a bit more authentic and grassroots level. And this is going to revolutionize advertising, because now small-time businesses and e-commerce websites can create an advertisement for a couple of dollars, because before you would have to pay thousands of dollars for a marketing agency to create a 15-second commercial for you. Now you can compete with the top players on the field, which is crazy. And this comes along with a couple of different tools. So you have the ability to paste in the URL of the product, and then it will basically take out the information and the images from the website, or you can manually add the images, which might actually yield better results. And that can be used to basically create the product. There's also the avatar features, and maybe you want a certain gender, ethnicity, basically presenting that product or your core group. Or you want a monster or an alien or astronaut to basically showcase the product. That also can be done with the avatar's features. We already discussed about the modes in Seedance, so let's now jump in to the thing. As a reminder, Seedance 2.0 on Higgsfield is actually one of the more affordable options you can go for right now compared to FreePick, OpenArt, or Artlist. It's definitely a lot more cheaper by cost per generation on their Ultrapan compared to the rest of the competition. If you're interested in subscribing to Higgsfield, you can find the links down below. Now, before we start, quick plug to my Telegram channel where I'm posting daily Seedance 2.0 prompts for free. No strings attached, basically daily new posts, how to basically improve your workflow or get just influence or ideas, what to basically create with Seedance 2.0. And in future, I'm going to be obviously posting some crockling and VO stuff as well. Now let's get started out with the actual product thing. So here are the actual, presets that we have. We have the tutorial preset here. We have a virtual try-on. There's the UGC. I don't know what that user-generated content, yeah. Unboxing, those are really cool ones. Virtual try-ons, UGC virtual try-on, tutorials, hypermotion. These are, in my opinion, the best ones that you would go for. This is my personal style and preference, but it depends on the product that you're doing. And then there's a Pro Virtual Try-On and UGC Virtual Try-On and another version of unboxing as well. So let me show you the whole workflow from start to finish. So first we're going to be creating the actual image, and there's a couple of recommendations I have, either Nano Banana 2, Grok Imagine, or Seedream 5.0 Lite. All of these are pretty good for realism. So what we're going to be doing is eucalyptus flavored chocolate bar stuffed with slow roasted koala. The name of the bar is, then quotation marks for the text, down under devour. And then we're going to hit generate. Obviously, make sure the dimensions are good. 1:1 is pretty great. And oh yeah, we want white background. And because that's basically allows the Seedance 2.0 like do a more better style of a product. Because if there's actual background attached to it, that means that if you're trying to do any type of 3D motion with the actual end product, it's not going to be very clean looking. It's going to distort it, and it just look kind of wonky usually. Okay, and now the image has actually generated. It's not the most appealing looking one, but it will work, and it maybe has too much text over here, which didn't need to be here, but it says real koala meat. I like that. So let's actually go with it, and we are going to go back into the interface over here. We're going to be... Okay, now we need to actually upload the product. So I'm going to be using create manually here. And then we're going to be choosing out the actual image over here. And it's going to be uploading it. Then it's going to be creating out automatic product name and description as well. They don't really matter once it's been done with checking, because this is because Seedance basically requires to scan these images to be approved. Then we're going to choose this one. And then we're going to choose over here any type of the thing we want to do. So maybe UGC is perhaps the best for this, or actually let's use the wildcard one here, and we choose an avatar. Maybe Valentina is going to be eating that. And then we're going to be choosing the dimensions. I think we're going to be going with 16:9. We want a commercial, and then we're going to hit generate. Okay, so let me show you some of these end results that I was able to get with the products that I prompted out.
Okay, this Papagolo top handle satchel is my new statement bag. Look at this feather print. Brown trim, gold hardware, and the flap is so chic. It elevates jeans.
Okay, watch this. This skeleton leather jacket is wild, honestly. The patchwork and whip stitching feels so nice, and the bone details are insane. Fit is perfect. I'm obsessed.
Okay, quick daily gel try on. It feels lightweight, absorbs fast, and my skin looks more hydrated. External use only, obviously. Okay,
wait. I literally cannot believe how good this is. Look how it just melts in. My skin already feels insane. Okay, I'm obsessed. I'm not going back. Okay, wait.
So those turned out to be actually pretty good in my opinion. Now the only one that kind of didn't turn out to be the way I wanted is this one, okay? So yeah, that one had a lot of inaccuracies, and somehow the model just didn't really meld in the way, and maybe the effects, and it wasn't maybe too clear about like what's inside of it. So it can sometimes go wrong, but that's really CNANS if we be completely honest with you. But in terms of one going wrong out of like 7 prompts is actually a really, really good ratio, as the other ones basically turned out to be perfect. And it was really my own fault that I didn't put the actual, setups correctly here. But all things considered, the Marketing Studio is extremely powerful tool, which allows you to create really, really high-end product advertisements. Whatever you're selling, you can probably do. I don't know how it will basically work out with like maybe displaying a website or something. That there's not a preset exactly for that. So this is kind of for physical products, but in my opinion, it's probably the best in the game right now. I haven't seen anything quite like that. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more content on the channel. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and show maybe some of your creations as well. I will be seeing you next time.